Hey guys, so here we go. We see the box is literally punctured a little bit here, but still we're gonna open it. Hold up for a minute. So here we go. We just opened it. So here are the plants. So we start with the first piece of plant. Wait for a second, I'm gonna remove the box there. So this is the plant I ordered. Quantity is very less. I would say the quantity would be more. It would be better. See, there's a plant. Alright, so we go to the next one. Next one is this. This is the Vivipara. So we are done with this. Keep it aside. Alright, so moving on to the next one. This is the next one. This is the Mycophyllum green. This one is a good plant, by the way. It doesn't need CO2. That's a good part. But I have CO2 in my tank, and phytocarbon will also work. These are a few more plants. Alright, so this is the Amazonicus, I think. Yeah, Amazonicus. This one is the big. 3 plants are there, I think. Inside. So we're done with this. So after this guy comes up. This is this is a good plant, you know. My plants are kind of looking the same. Don't know why. It's alright. So here we go to another. So we're done with this. They're really greenish. This is the high red. Low CO2 plant. And these are the pots. I think the Mecanthrium is this. No, this is the Honda pot. See this guy right here? Packing is okay, but the quantity is so less, man. Really can't get it. So we go with another. I gotta open the box more. So next one is this one. Dwarf grass. And this is the Japanese pot. Japanese one. I really like this plant and this grows well. It needs a good light, you know. Really can't see due to reflection, I think. This is the grass right here. The pot. 2 pots are there. You can see literally 2 pots. We're done with this. Next one is this one. It literally looks different on the pictures, you know. But it's good. Oh man, packing is not too cool. They are vacuum packed. See this one, Ceratophyllum dorsum. With a little water, I think, inside. They're vacuum packed. See? Alright, so we're done with this. This is the smallest plant ever. Number 10. This grows a little bit huge. Names are literally hard. Biological names, man. So another one. Here we go with this Ludwiga. I like this plant. Many people has bought this plant. This is a famous plant, you know. Alright, we're done with this. Then we go with this guy right here. Vallisneria. Alright, we're done with this also. I forgot one plant right here. This is not literally a good quantity, you know. Quantity are literally very less. I thought more quantity will be there, and now it's very less. See, this much. But the cost really good. They're very costly, you know. Oh, this one is a little bit good one. Damn it. See, Carolina one. Alright, you could see the name, it's focused. We're done with this. I bought many different types of plants, you know. Oh man, we got this. Bacopa Carolina. I like this group, they're too green. Packing is alright. Nothing good, nothing interesting, but the quantity is less. Damn it, I'm sick today. This is the Monte Carlo. Not very goodly packed. This is one of the costliest plant, I think. No. It is literally a high-tech plant, Monte Carlo pot. So we're done with this. Let's see how many more plants are there. Okay, this is the second last plant, I guess. So the last one. See, you see the bubbles right there? It's due to respiration. They're packed in a vacuum. I think it's over. Damn it. Yeah, it's over. It's over. Use this box. So, let me put the plants in the place goodly, so you could see the whole plants, how many plants I have bought. This one, go with this, go with this, these two pots, this one is very less, damn it. Literally, it's not fitting here. What the heck? There are many plants, but the quantity is less. So what could I do? I could do nothing. I have to buy more plants. Alright, so we are done with the video. You know, people ask, what plant do I like the most here? The highest quantity plant. This one is the good plant, you know. I like this good plant. And the Monte Carlo grows literally very well when it is well in nutrients. just look very liquidish. Why the heck my camera is not focusing properly?